Here's how to fix browser crashes quickly. Step 1. Reset network settings. Press Windows plus I to open Settings, then click Network and Internet. In the left menu, select Status, scroll down, and click Network Reset. Click Reset Now and confirm. Your PC will restart and restore all network settings to default. This can resolve crashes caused by connectivity issues or misconfigured network settings. Step 2. Clear temporary files. Press Windows plus S, type Disk Cleanup, and open the app. Select your C drive and click OK. Check Temporary Files and any other unnecessary files, then click OK, Delete Files. Removing these files can fix browser crashes caused by corrupted cache or temporary data. Following these steps should stabilize your browser and prevent crashes. Subscribe for more professional Windows fixes.